As a woman who has an electrical engineering and a computer science bachelor's and master's degree, we had started our son in STEM programs since 3K. And every summer he would go to these STEM programs and he would do a couple of little experiments, and it didn't really amount to much. And the years went on. And so, what I thought STEM was just basically a few little activities just to kind of stimulate the children, not going too deep. And so that's what I was expecting. What I was pleasantly surprised about was when Mr. Thomas showed up about a week or two before the first class started. We're in our third 12-week class as well. And he showed up with a big cardboard box full of kits and materials and hands-on things for the kids, everything from electrical circuitry material to chemical material to petri dishes and other things to do biological experiments with, and things to do physics experiments with, and robots that the kids were going to actually program, and they got to keep all of this. And as I started listening to the class, I realized, you know what, he gets it. This is more than just a superficial look at STEM. He's really teaching the children something. My son actually knows how to program in several different languages now. They've done everything from regular programming of different types of robots to artificial intelligence to virtual reality, augmented reality programming. It's just chemical experiments in the kitchen, outside of the kitchen. It just goes on and on. And then I wasn't ready for the Black history part that he was going to bring to them and integrate into every class. And in the first class, when he told them that the Ishanga bone, which is a tool that comes out of Africa, was the first tool to start mathematical calculations. In every class, when he was just bringing knowledge about who Imhotep was and who all of these people were, not just post-slavery, which we talk a lot about after slavery and relative to slavery, but our greatness as a people before any of that happened. He really builds the kids up. And between him being a positive influence, the Black history part of things to build the children up, and the in-depth hands-on work that the kids are doing. I mean, these kids are getting drones dropped off for them. They're getting robots. They're building robots. This week, they built an electrical circuit that allowed them to measure the resistivity and the conductivity of different components in the house. He's getting deep with these kids. So it's the program is off the chain.